Every day and every time I come back here, I feel the difference.
Welcome back to Brandon!
What you're going to find over these 3 days is how transformational it really is for you.
So many of you will get into what I call the information lock. So as I share a concept or an idea with you, I don't want you to take a note. You know what I want you to take? A step.
They're just unbridled enthusiasm and passion for getting everybody really to the next level.
I think the energy is incredible and palpable.
So having that feeling of the wellness.
The community, absolutely second to none.
Very excited to be a part of this community now and to really expand, get out there with kind of help that we've always needed.
Building a product and the product speaks for itself and all of this and all that, and we'll make a big dent in the market. It's not. The branding's got to be there, and it's made a massive impact.
And be able to get out the press release and the podcast, which I've loved.
I've actually got something to work off, so it's fantastic.
Get rid of the past, get rid of that crap, let's go for a new future.
I'm gonna cry.
Now knowing those old limiting beliefs are in the past, how does that change things for you?
That was really scary.
One of the things you need to do is, if you're going to go for it in life, whether it's wealth, health, happiness, business, you have to be 110% committed. You got to go for it. Would you agree?
You want to be the best within your industry team? Give me an oh yeah if you do. By the end of today, that you have written your origin story and it is going to be submitted for the big wide world to see.
I've actually really enjoyed it. I didn't know what I was coming into, so I came in with no expectations, just hoping I get some gems, and I think I've got more than gems.
Every entrepreneur, everybody nowadays understands that they need marketing to sell a product or to sell a service, but not many people understand it to the extent that they need to be able to do it properly.
Articles, getting recognition for what we do.
You should be celebrating, you should be emotional team. For some of you, you've been hidden. You've been the world's best kept secret. And now you're getting noticed for what you're doing, who you're being, what you're becoming.
Amazing. Wow. That's speechless.
I build my reputation through repetition. It's what you repeatedly do.
The power of branding and learning that I am the king of my own life.
Say, I am ready. 4 more.